What is good, baby? Welcome to another video. All right, so in this video, if you guys have seen the TikTok series of it, it's coming to YouTube as well. We are going to go over if Spy AI is profitable over a whole month, all right, of me taking its trades. It has taken 3 trades for us so far in the first week, all right? I am in no means affiliated with this. I'm not here to sell you this. I won't even leave a link in the bio for you to check it out yet because I personally will not even believe that it is profitable because I'm so against indicators. I'm so against EAs and trading bots that I will not admit that this thing is profitable until the end of the month. But if it is, I will give complete thumbs up. I'll say it's good to go. And even right now, it looks solid, but I'm still not 100% yet because it's only a sample size of 3 trades. And I've really only worked with it for the past half week, okay, because that's when we got started. But let's go ahead and go over the past 3 trades that we took with this bot and see, what it traded for us. So I actually set it up on Tuesday with Morgan from SAR. And Tuesday, there was no trades that were taken, okay? And keep in mind, the only trades that I will be taking are going to be on either the 15 or the 30-minute time frame, okay? And it will have to be during New York Stock Exchange Open, right? How unfair would it be if, right, it's taking trades during Asian session and London session when sometimes you're asleep during that? So I decided, hey, I want to keep all the rules and all the parameters strict, okay? So it's going to be the 15-minute and 30-minute trade entries, and this is just going to be based off of what I see on the chart on whether, like, which one I'm going to take, okay? And it's only going to be during New York Stock Exchange Open, okay? There's going to be no limit on the amount of trades that this bot is going to take for us, okay? We're assuming that this bot has built-in risk management, okay? Because it is essentially assuming that you are going to be taking all of its trades, okay? So the first trade that it had us take, all right, this was New York Stock Exchange Open right here. Okay, and we can see on the 15-minute, it offered us a short right here. This is where we entered, and we closed right at this line for a 1 to 1.39 risk to reward ratio. Okay, the first take profit was hit. Okay, there was only one take profit, and there's only one take profit for all of these. I'm just messing with my head with my own strategy. But boom, take profit was hit, 1-0. Okay, we took this trade, 1-0, done. All right. Moving forward, this was on FOMC, okay, we had another trade, all right? The entry was right here and the exit was right here, okay? And this was honestly a bad risk to reward ratio, probably due to news and these high wicks. But either way, right, I'm going to take what it gives me, okay? And this is what it gave me. So it was a 1 to 0.7 essentially, or 0.69 risk to reward ratio. All right, so boom, the entry was right here and the exit was right here on this wick. And something I want you guys to keep in mind, these risk to rewards are, if anything, the best of what you will get, okay? I really like Morgan. He's a great guy, the owner of the person. I met with him. I talked to him. I made sure he was okay with me making these YouTube videos and these TikTok videos. But I do have to say some disclaimers. Okay, so this entry, when you enter here, you're going to be filled a bit lower, right? It depending on what you're working with, right? Options, futures, or foreign exchange brokerage, right? You're going to get filled lower due to spread and commission. Okay, so that's the first thing. Also, when you close out, right, when this take profit shows up, who knows if you're going to see that in time to close right at this area, so you might get closed a little bit higher and a little bit lower. So when I show you guys these, keep in mind, that's honestly like the best possible outcome for these types of trades, okay? And I'm going to show you all the losses that it takes as well. The past week that it was running, it never took a loss for me. Okay, so as always, you guys know me. I'm going to keep it completely real with you guys. And if anything, I want this thing to lose. I'm sorry, Morgan, but I do. I want this thing to lose because I'm against indicators and trading bots. But I mean, hey, if this thing proves me wrong, then that's awesome. That means it's come a lot farther than what it was back when I started trading, and maybe I can look into it and maybe make a bot to implement into my own strategy to, help my own trading. But right, this first one was a win. The second one was also a win. So we are 1-0 after this, up 1.3%, okay? And then after this, 2-0 and up pretty much 2% after that win. Now moving on to the second trade that we took, it was on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, right over here, we can see it was a 30-minute short on Thursday. Okay, right here, there was a short trade, short position right here. Okay, as we can see, this was the entry point and this was the exit. This was actually a really good trade in terms of just like the bot standpoint. I don't really like this trade due to it being such a low pip value and such a low point value. And I don't like this trade due to it being a bad risk to reward. However, I do like this trade. The risk to reward is there. Good stop loss area. Pretty much anybody with any account size can enter. And also the pip value is there and the point value is there as well. So this was a great trade. This puts you at the week, or me at the week, 3-0 on this bot. Okay, and essentially up 3.8% in total on the week. Okay, and then looking over at Friday and coming in today, on Monday, we had no trades whatsoever. And like I said, if it ends up taking a loss, I'm still going to show it because I want to show you guys complete transparency, because this is a test to see if this bot works. I hope it does, because that means, hey, we're making progressions in terms of EAs and indicators in terms of trading. Will I ever trade with a bot? Probably not. But hey, this might be a step in the right direction if this ends up working out. So that's the first week. That's the overview that we got for Spy AI. I'm excited for what it's going to bring coming into this new week. If it gives us any trades, right, it might be just, a whole week of just nothing to trade. It might just be chop. But I'll keep you guys updated either way. That's the first week of Spy AI. 3-0, 3.8% gain overall, looking pretty solid. All right.